Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's obvious that we are in a big downturn in the sales of PCs of every kind. We looked at numbers, and we often talk about, how the decline of the PC sales and so on. So we got a peak of PC sales that happened because of the pandemic. But now that it's all over, we are in really a moment where PC sales year to year are really, really getting rough. So basically, as the revenues and the decline, we could see that PC sales are really down by double digits. It's really a huge decline, and it is in the 20 to 30% range for most companies. It's very, very interesting to see how even Windows licenses are down by 7 or 8%, and they're saying that the reason is a lot of PCs are sold with their license keys there, but they're not being sold to customers, so they're still somewhere waiting to be purchased. And the same happens to Apple. We are looking at numbers and Apple numbers. Mac sales are declining 32% year over year. This is crazy. Macs are 30% down in a year over year. So that means that every aspect of the market, it seems that as PC sales rose, at the same time, Mac sales rose also because some people went to the Mac or Apple side. But it's obvious that this is everybody's being hit by this downturn. Now, the news that they are saying is that this is going to slow down, and they're even thinking that by next year, we might actually see a rise in sale again. And so there are several things that will actually count into this. The slow decline of Windows 10, and the fact that people are going to start, learning that Windows 10 is not eternal, and that in 2025 it's going to be the end. We'll have some people purchase new hardware to get Windows 11 or maybe Windows 12, as next year Windows 12 is going to be a thing. And it's probably going to also happen on Apple. That decline is going to stop at some point, and they might see also a rise again. The good news and the bad news is that the decline is steep, but the sales are still stronger than they were before the pandemic, meaning that we are still higher than the lowest point that was hit before the pandemic. So it does seem that the PC market, although going back down, is still strong, and it's still a lot of millions of PCs that are sold. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.